So I'm going to jack the wheel up off the block, take that wheel off of there, and then see if I can get the brake drum off, because I'm going to need to replace the studs that I drilled out here. I'm going to keep these drill bits that I've been using kind of in a different spot in case I have to drill out one on the other side. You just never know. Okay, what happens here to get these studs out is you basically hit these and they'll pop right out the back, because these are just pulled into place. So if you hit them with a hammer, they should pop right out. Back in here, see the back side of it's got little grooves in it. Where it's been drilled. These brake shoes are okay. So that's the other one. Now, I may call the parts store. Someone's done these brakes fairly recently. You can tell by the new hardware on there. Of course, the drums aren't in, the shoes aren't in too bad a place. The drums are okay. Got some rust on the outside, but they're good on the inside. I'm gonna sort of set this on here, and you see how my spring is like pressed down? I guess it would be jacked up like that though. My neighbor was telling me he thought it needed new springs on the back. He might have been right. Anyway, I'm gonna jack this up 2 notches, slide that under there, call the parts store, see if they're open. And if I can get a couple of those studs, I'd like to. I'd also like to replace all of the lug nuts, because I don't have lug nuts on this thing like that anymore. And I've got a bunch of lug nuts around here. I may have some that fit this. Do some checking right quick. What I got? Because I mess around with wheels a lot, I have a tendency to have lug nuts. Ford, Chevy, Chrysler. See them right there fits it. I bet those are Chrysler. I got a bunch of these, which would be just like what came off it, except this stuff isn't made out of tin and stuff. It's made out of, appears to be made out of real steel. That fits it. Those have got locks on them, so they came off of something that had locks. But these are 1/2 inch. Well, it says 1/2 inch. It doesn't say what the number is on them, but I've got multiple sets of lug nuts right here that are workable. I don't know. Yeah, I believe. I don't know if these would work in those wheels or not. These little ones. These are 1/2 inch 20s. That's a pretty common lug nut. Not hard to come by. I probably got some more back in the back over there. Yeah, I said I probably got some more. I got a whole tray full of lug nuts here. I bet you these are all. I'm guessing this is a Ford pattern. See, these are like that, which are mag wheel type lug nuts. They are Traeger style. They fit it too. So basically what I need is 2 stud bolts. 1/2 inch 20. I'll take this one with me to the store when I go. Because I've got a bunch of old lug nuts around here. somewhere in one of these piles is a bunch of left-handed lug nuts, because that Chrysler on one side of it had left-handed lug nuts, and I took the spindles off the front of it when I did that disc brake job on it, and I saved those little lug nuts. So I'm gonna put this one in my pocket, go to the parts store if they're open, and then we're gonna call it a day while I acquire a couple of studs to go into that. So, I'll turn y'all off now. See ya.